Happy Halloween from all of us here at Empires and Cocktails. On this show, we will never leave you in suspense. You will never have to ask, what's around the next corner? Just like a crappy B horror flick, our jumps and scares can be called and predicted before the movie ever starts. That's why we won't be throwing anything at you that you won't expect. Hello?
You will die in 7 days. Unless you take a victory shot.
Can't argue with fate. Yes, this is a strong shot. But when you're out fighting werewolves, you need a strong bullet. This shot is called the Silver Bullet. This week, I'm brewing a potion called the Corpse Reviver No. 2. It seemed to work on these guys, so maybe it'll work on you too. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 ounce of Lillet Blanc. 3/4 ounce of an orange liqueur. 3/4 ounce of a dry London gin. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Why, that's a lovely London dry gin. Quite lovely. Rinse a chilled cocktail glass with absinthe. Mr. Bones, you're looking a bit dry. Try this drink. It's the Corpse Reviver. Today's word of wisdom: suspense. Suspense is caused by the unknown, the impending. When something you don't know and can't explain is looming. It comes from having to wait and not knowing when the wait will end. The meaning of suspense is